Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv as you see and you will click here. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go to storage. You will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.